cuties, and welcome to another fresh episode of Sanskriti Kolkata, episode number 127 on kurtis, dress materials and lovely Lucknowi chicken curry. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll start with some lovely cotton plazo sets, pure Rajasthani printed cottons with embroidery. This is the kurta, 2,990 rupees with work in the sleeves and the yoke part. It has a printed matching plazo and we have size till double XL, small, medium, large, XL, double XL. So this is the plazo. These are all standard sizes. If you want any particular measurement, we will provide you with that. But these are with elastic and these have with strings. So it's stretchable. It won't be a problem. And even for the kurta, we have sizes till double XL, means 38, 40, 42 and 44, and you will be getting a matching mask with this. So it's a 3-piece set, 2990, kurta, contrast printed plazo and a matching mask. 2,990 rupees is for the set. Sizes 38, 40, 42, 44. Another color, similar one, number 2, black. This is the kurta with this printed plazo. Even these plazos are so smart, you can wear it with any shirt. These will equally look nice, and it has this mask and it will have a dupatta with this. It's a full suit set, salwar kameez, plazo, kurta, dupatta, and this price is 3,500. It will have a self embroidery in the yoke part also. There's little embroidery in the yoke, and these are lovely ajrak print in cotton, printed ajrak, 3-piece suit set with a mask, matching mask. Now product number 3, lovely soft pure washable. These are all home wash. 2,850 rupees, 2,850. This is a chicken, it will have this handwork. There will be a crochet outline border. This is the lovely sleeves. The bottom with pockets. This is the pant. It will have pockets. Back elastic. All home wash. It's a plazo set with matching mask. 2,850 home wash. Again, size till 38, 40, 42, 44 is XL and 46 is double XL. Till 46 size we have in this. Red. So these are cotton, pure cotton home wash. Easy to maintain. Very smart regular wear pieces. This is 2,990 rupees. Cotton with embroidery in the yoke. Matching mask. And a very bright stripe printed plazo. Since these are with elastic, you will be able to, anyone can fit into it. Even if you are confused about your size, these pants will easily fit you since these are with elastic. 2990, and these look very pretty in regular wear, for office also. This is for the sleeves in the hand, and again the matching mask. Grey color, 2990. In case I miss out the price, please check out this the description part. Like this is the small size, 2990 with the palazzo, back elastic with pocket palazzo, with dupatta, shaded chiffon dupatta. 2990 for the whole set. This doesn't have a mask. All over work. See, it's all over embroidery. So in case you are confused about the medium, small, large size, just tell me your ready chest size. I mean, you measure any of your kurta, it's 40, 42, we'll measure the chest 42, the rest will be standard. So don't worry about the size. So whatever size will tell us, we'll send that size itself. Just measure any one of your kurtas. Any one kurta you can, or top, you can just measure and tell me. I can revert you with the exact size. 2990 again in woven cotton with rapid print done, Rajasthani rapid print with little sequence highlight with mirror work. Sorry, not sequence. We have little mirror works in between the flowers. Pure cotton, soft, very comfortable. Product number 6, 2990. This has a white palazzo. These are actually straight pants, not the flared palazzo ones, culottes you can say. This is the bottom with side slit. Summer, ideal for summer wear. This is the dupatta, mal dupatta in pure cotton. Very soft cotton, pure mal dupatta, Rajasthani print, rapid prints. We love these prints. This is the whole set. The back will be plain. 2990 for the whole set. Now only kurtas, regular wear kurtas, 995 only. 995 for pure cotton, full length, straight cut, long kurtas with matching mask. $995, sizes still XL. These are all very good quality, pure cotton vegetable prints, 995. Plain kurtas with mask. These are 2-layer masks. 995. Ideal for office wear or for shopping or for regular use. These are all 995. See the prints. Very smart prints in cotton. 995 and with the mask. Now number 10, Ajrak cotton with embroidery, 1250 rupees with mask. Number 11, all Ajrak print embroidery, 3/4 sleeves, the back also printed with mask. Front and back printed, same fabric, very comfortable, and you can wear it with black or red, any palazzo that you have, for leggings or even with denims. This is a very smart print. 1390 with gota embroidery, zari and gota. It's a beautiful embroidered yoke. 1390, product number 12 with mask. Product number 12 with mask, 1390. Wear it with a red legging or a brown legging or a white legging, anything will look nice. Long, soft, very soft cotton thread work, dual tone kurta, 1490, 1490. It is in cotton silk. 1490. The sleeves will have work matching with the kurta yoke. It's a very nice color, two-tone grey blue color. The work with mirrors, very smart. Again, sizes you will get till XL. Number 14, Ajrak cotton kurta, 995. Product number 14, 995. This buttons will have little thread work with sequins, cute buttons. These are all vegetable prints, Ajrak, 995 rupees, vegetable printed, soft pure cotton kurtas. Now coming to chicken work. Number 15, Georgette hand embroidery Lucknowi chicken, 2900 rupees, 2900. Product number 15, 2900. We have size 46. This is size 46. We have other sizes also. Back will be with buta like the sleeves. This is the back side and this is the front side. Hand work, Georgette kurtas. Now in yellow, like what I am wearing. This we have 36 size to 44 size, 2900. This is also hand work with inner, with a cotton inner, 2900. The back with buta. This is a small size I am showing you. I have more sizes in this. All over work with inner, 2900. Now a peach color, size 40, we have 42, 44 also, 2900. Just take the screenshot. There is the inner with this also, sleeveless inner in cotton. All hand work, back with buta. You can visit the branches for more options. We have trial room also. In case, again let me tell you, in case you are confused about the size, just measure any one of your kurtas. Chest here to here in inches. Once you tell me this size, then no problem. From here, just take the inch tape from here to here. Just from here to here. This is what I want to know, if you, in case you are confused about the size. 2900, 40, 42, we have sizes, and this, since these are in Georgia, this is the back side. These are a bit stretchable. Again, a lemon inner with this. Even I am wearing a lemon inner. 2900, all handwork, and all embroidery is different from each other. That's why I am showing you so many designs with the same color. It's beautiful sky blue color. 3600 because of the work. 3600, no inner. Whichever inner I am showing you, only that will have the inner. The others will not have an inner. 3600, the back will be with buta, and again there will be another extra line of work in the bottom part. Here. 3600. Number 20. See, these are a bit more 500-600 rupees more than the others because of the embroidery. 3600. You can understand this work is much more heavy, more work. That's why the price is around 500-600 rupees more. 3600 for this, all handwork, sky blue color. This is the back side. Lovely sea green color. This is single piece. Handwork. 3600. Now with this, we always are confused what to wear in the bottom. So we have these stretchable chicken leggings. These are pants actually. See, we have elastic, and the whole, this is cotton stretchable fabric. Where we've done this handwork chicken. See, it's a white on white. Very smart looking, and see, these are stretchable. So these are free size basically. So small to large size people will easily fit into it. These are like pants. You can have the pockets. Very smart looking, and the price for this is these are not without, these are without number, just I'm explaining, you can just take the screenshot. 1850 for this white chicken legging, the pant rather. Similarly, this is another design. This is 1850 also. This has back elastic, front you can tie it. And see the work in the bottom. It's white self on self. Again, stretch material. So it's, you know, it fits very well. It has a great fit. $18.50. Red on red. We have a skin color also. See the work. All stretch fabric with elastic and cords also. So you can tighten it if you want. $18.50 for this too. We have a skin color. This is red. Okay, now coming to the kurtas. 3600 for this. 3600. Number 22, baby pink color, 38 size, 2900 with inner. We have big sizes also. 2900 with inner, back with buta. So all ranges I am showing you, some with inner, some without inner. Or because you might say why this doesn't have inner, because of the work, some comes with inner. If you want, we can stitch an inner for you, but charges will be applicable. 2900 for this. Size 42 with pink inner. See the work, all hand work, back with buta. $24. These are long, very good quality Georgette handwork chicken kurta. Just see this work. Lovely shade of yellow. With inner. $3600, back with buta. Back with buta. 25. $4600. 4,600 rupees for this. You can understand it has lace bordered in the sleeves, in the side slit. 4600 and very, very neat hand work. It has lot of work and the quality of the Georgette is a bit much better than the previous ones. So there is a difference in price. This is fine quality Georgette. The back will have this buta. All the qualities are good. Don't think that is cheaper means that is bad quality. No, all the quality. This is a better count of thread in this. So obviously the price is higher. 4600 for the sky. Now coming to a very smart piece. I myself have the same piece. It's a full kalidari chicken curry. ₹5,950, full kali, 5950. Front and the back, full work, not that the back is plain. The back and the front will have full work. And see the kali, it's a kalidari, full chicken curry kurta. Let's see the front part, yoke, and I'll show you the back part also. The back, see, these work a very fine kali, beautiful color also, sky blue color. You can wear it as a dress also. It looks very nice. Number 26, 5950 for this. Now coming to cotton kurta. This cotton I have less stock, so only this few cottons I can show you. In branch we have more collection, but for the episode I'm just showing you two cottons. This is handwork, pure cotton, very soft quality pure cotton in strawberry pink. 2,400, product number 27. 2,400 rupees front, and this is the back. Only one size in this, and the size is I think 46, 44 and 46 we have. Number 28, this is also a cotton Angrakha kurta. It's a very, very unique piece. See the work. This is a very traditional embroidery handwork in Lucknowi chicken curry. Just see the work. It has Angrakha design. You can adjust the size with this threads, cords. The work in the sleeves. The yoke, it's a very, very unique piece. It's a very rich piece. And see the work in the borders, the embroidery. It's a very, very elegant milk white color. And the price for this is 6,500, right? This is, yes, 6,500. The back will also have the similar work. The back is, I can't show you the back, but the back will also have this same work will be in the back. Now with this, I've made the mannequin wear another chicken pant, stretchable, 1850. It's a black pant with white work. It looks so rich. Even the red one, you can try the red one with this. It's a black and white. That's the mannequin wearing. So it's 1850 and the kurta is product number 28. 6,500 for the Angrakha kurta and 1850 for the pant. And the one that I am wearing, this is also available, 2900, 2,900 rupees. 2900 with inner. The back will be plain with the buttas. The bottom, I am wearing the bottom, milk white bottom with chicken, 1850, with elastic at the back and cord in the front. These are 1850 price. It's very comfortable and goes with a lot of other kurtas also. Now coming to something different. Rapid prints cotton kurta with gota embroidery. These are unstitched suit pieces, 3-piece unstitched suit pieces, product number 29, 3,990 rupees, 3,990. The borders you can use in different parts of your kurtas. This is the sleeves. This is the sleeves. This is the kurta. This is the bottom. So the kurta and the bottom. Where is the yoke? Here. This is the kurta. This is the bottom. And it will have this lovely dupatta with border. It's a full 3-piece unstitched cotton set. $3,990 gota work. No lining required. It's a very heavy quality, good quality cotton. And with and home wash, all home wash. This is another lovely color, pink color. See the work here. This is the kurta. This is the bottom. And this is the dupatta. Voile dupatta. Pink color. Now coming to a nice soft green color. See on the print these gota work, traditional Rajasthani gota embroidery with hand. These are all hand work, ari work. Looks very rich. Just the cotton kurta with little lovely highlighted yoke, and see the border is also very smart. The price is 3,990 rupees with this printed bottom, and these are all very fancy, these are very different prints. These are traditional Rajasthani prints with this dupatta. These look so smart on wearing. If you want, we can do the tailoring and send also. We have our tailoring department. We can do the tailoring and send, charges applicable. The last one in this concept is this kesar color, saffron kind of a color, very pretty color. The simple jhumkas look so pretty with this. These are very traditional. I love these prints. The border is there, and here is the bottom. This is the bottom part, bottom print, and it will have this dupatta. I hope the work is clearly showing. Now something extraordinarily beautiful, pure tussar Parsi work, hand Parsi in pure tussar kurta. The chest size can be made till 43 to 44. The work is fully done in the front and the sleeves. This is the sleeves. French knots with mirror work. This is the other sleeve. The color is also very pretty. See the work. The price of this is 6990. With bottom, you will be getting a bottom with this, a pant material, and also a tussar work dupatta. This is khadi tussar. Dupatta is in khadi tussar. Beautiful texture of this dupatta. It has a pashmina feel. And see these work, these are very, hand work in French knot with mirrors. Throughout it will be like this, the dupatta. And the bottom I've shown you. I'll just show once more the kurta. See the work. Fully hand work. The last piece, peach color. Just two I've done as a sample. If you like them, probably I'll be making more. Pure tussar, these are really uncommon ones, and hardly we make all these nowadays because these handwork takes so much of time. Pure tussar with embroidery in the front. The back will be plain for both. The sleeves will have work. All Kashmiri handworks kurtas with French knot. This is the sleeves, the other sleeve. This is the kurta. The bottom. And the dupatta. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this episode. So again, let me tell you, if you, in case you have any problem with the size, just measure the chest part in inches with your tape. Thank you so much. Namaskar.